Hello everyone, my name is Sai Abhishek, and in this small presentation that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be explaining about the role of metacognition in learning. So, when I was a kid, I used to struggle a lot with maths, especially in fractions. I usually didn't really get it because it used to make me confused. But after a lot of thinking and applying a lot of concepts of metacognition, I um, got to understand fractions a little better. So today, like in this video, I'm gonna be explaining how I got over my inability to understand fractions and make life a bit easier. So the concept is nothing but they are part of whole. Uh, Example of a pizza is like when we divide it into halves, it becomes 1/2, and when we divide it in three equal halves, equal parts, it gets the fraction is 1/3. So here's a little challenge that adding fractions with different denominators is tricky, but adding fractions with a common denominator is easy. So uh, the the definition of metacognition is it really boils down to thinking about thinking. So it really has to concentrate on what goes on in our mind while we are thinking of a separate of a certain thing. So uh, when we break it down into several parts, we can name them as planning. So which means how will I solve this particular obstacle that I face, and the second one's monitoring. So it really means checking am I doing this correctly, and am I on the right track. And the third one's evaluating, which means what the thing that I thought out thought out, like if a certain solution is makes sense, or did I go completely wrong on it. Evaluating really helps in judging our ability to solve a problem, and uh, when we really need to improve on our thinking skills, we can really evaluate our own solution, and we can figure out where we went wrong, and it really helps us in bettering ourselves. So when we are coming back to fractions, I the way that I applied metacognition is in three steps. So I planned. I really looked through what goes on in fractions. So there's a numerator, and there's a denominator, and when observing different types of fractions, I noticed that the ones where the denominator is the same, adding them was easier. So when I noticed that the denominators are different, I decided to find a common denominator among those fractions. And the in the next step, while I was adding, I was checking the numerators and denominators. So I don't add fractions with different denominators, so that would make incorrect calculations. And the third step is evaluate. So uh, while checking with the answers after I was done with solving my problems, I evaluated them with the answer key to at the back of my textbook. And um, after to my surprise, I was actually getting better due to applying this concept of metacognition. So uh, the thing that I used to do when the denominators were different is I used to find a way to make the denominators common. So One by two is nothing but uh, so so adding different denominators was easy because I applied the concept of metacognition. So why does it matter? Because metacognition helps us avoid careless mistakes, build confidence in math, and transfer skills to other subjects as well. Here's a key takeaway: good learners don't just solve problems; they think about how they solve them. Thank you.